Hey girlfriends, wash day finally rolled around for these kinky curly tape-ins, so let's get started. I'm starting with the most important step first, which is to detangle because my hair was in an old braid out. I'll be using Hawaiian Silky's Miracle Worker 14-in-1 shampoo. The easiest way to tackle all this hair is to work in sections of 4. I love how gentle the shampoo is and it's so easy to lather up your curls. Next I'm using Aussie's Miracle Curls to condition and detangle my hair. As you guys can see, some of my tape-ins did end up slipping out. Make sure you tune into the full YouTube video to see where I might have went wrong and what tips I give to help prevent this from happening. Once we detangle, it's time to rinse and style. This is the face of frustration because I was not expecting this many tape-ins to fall out. To twist up my hair, I'll be using Taliah Waajid's Apple and Aloe leave-in conditioner and curl definer. I took my time twisting up my hair section by section and I still managed to lose some tape-ins during this process. The shampoo and condition had loosened them so much that when I got around to twisting, some of them were just easily sliding out. I definitely lost more length rather than thickness, but once again, tune into my YouTube video to see how you can avoid this problem. My twist took about 2 days to dry and I used Uncle Funky's Shining Star Hair and Scalp Elixir to help me gently unravel. The texture of the tape-in hair is really easy to work with, it's easy to style, and also it blends effortlessly with my hair. When I pull on this section, you can see my real hair and the tape-in hair separate. It looks so much like my hair, sometimes I can't even tell the difference myself. Now this clip I love because it shows how effortless it is and how easy it is to separate this twist out without getting frizz and just how uniform the definition and pattern came out. Once all the twists are out, we're going to gently pick and fluff to add a little volume. Make sure you aren't too rough because I definitely learned my lesson on this hair wash day. And here is my beautiful twist out. Make sure you head over to my channel to watch the full video and to stay up to date on all my kinky curly tape-ins content.